So, guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram, we start this session. Today, we are going to solve the hardest online assessment problem which was asked in Amazon for the 2024 current year, and the CTC is 45 lakhs. It is for a fresher SD role in Amazon. Okay, we will have to solve this problem. But before that, guys, let's give the congratulations to our recent students. Okay, guys, congratulations to Sankalp. Sankalp is our student. He's a working professional. Then also he got top 100 world rank in code chef last week. So guys, give congratulation emojis for Sankalp. Okay, Sankalp generated this result few days back. I posted it today. And also guys, give congratulations to, apart from Sankalp, give congratulations to Anvesha also. Anvesha has cracked Nvidia and Qualcomm, both companies, yesterday only. And guys, our special student Sejal, you know na, the best selection in March is 2nd March, Sejal, who has cracked off-campus SD intern as well as full-time in Microsoft. Okay, so guys, give congratulations to all our lovely students. Be quick, guys. Yeah, great. Now, guys, always start everything with the name of God, and then no one will be able to stop you. Next thing, if you try to open this problem, guys, send the link to the question for a few times in the chat so that most of the people can check out. This is a really difficult problem and we need to do lots of analysis. Okay, guys? Lots of analysis is needed. Yes, Shimachal. Make sure you make the post. So, guys, Amazon warehouse 2024 OA. You want 45 lakhs, you need to solve this. Amazon has multiple delivery centers and delivery warehouses all over the world. The world is represented by a number line, blah 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 blah. I will explain you the easier meaning of this problem, okay? So guys, they are saying that an x axis is given to you, okay? Listen to me carefully, guys. A number line is given to you like this, okay? Here there is a 0, then there is a 1, then there is 2, then there is 3, 4, like this, okay? -1, -2, -3, okay? Now they are keeping some like houses, or you can say some items at some particular place, okay? So guys, let's assume that one item is here, okay? One item is here, item 1. Another item is, let's say, here, okay? Guys, two items are there, okay? One item is here, second item is here. You have to find a point. See, you cannot solve this problem if you are just doing the standard lead code problems, 300 to 500 standard easy popular problems. You need CP and OA training for this. So listen to me carefully. So guys, see, you have to bring these two items at a point which you like. At a point which you like, okay? So let's try to understand what this problem is telling us, okay? Nah, this is very difficult, beyond your imaginations. So guys, you only tell me, if I decide to bring all these items at this point, what will be the cost? Can anyone tell me the cost? If I want to bring this item also here and this item also here, what will be the cost, guys? -2 से 1 लाने में कितना जगह लगेगा? 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupees. 3 rupees to bring this item to point number 1, and 2 rupees from 3 to 1 to bring this item to this. So guys, what is the total cost? What is the total cost, guys? 5. Total cost is 5. Now guys, I'm going to discuss many different examples. Are you guys ready to answer me very quickly whenever I show you an example? Write the answer in the chat. I love you, Akash. Love you. Okay. Great. Now, none of the teacher tries to explain such a hard problem before Holi, but I'm doing that for you, so enjoy it. So guys, one more number line I'm going to give you. Okay? Start enjoying that. Start enjoying. One more number line. Let's say this is 0. Let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. One warehouse is here. Another is here. No. One is here. Another is here. And another is here. Guys, what is the cost to bring all of them to point number 5? You want to bring all the houses to point number 5. What will be the cost, guys? You want to bring all these guys to the fifth point. So one will you will bring this till here. It will take how much cost? 4 rupees. You will bring this guy here 7 to 5. So this will cost 2 rupees, which is nothing but the difference of these two numbers. Okay. Then you will bring this guy here. It will again cost 3 rupees. So guys, 4 plus 2 plus 3. Guys, it is going to cost you 9 rupees. It is going to cost you 9 rupees. Okay. Going to cost you 9 rupees, guys. Guys, is this much clear to you? Guys, is this much clear? Okay. So, guys, I hope the understanding of the problem is slowly getting clear. So, basically, understanding on a number line, some houses are given to you. You have to bring all those houses at a valid point. At a valid point. What is a valid point? Valid point is a point whose cost is less than equal to D. Guys, if bringing all the houses at this particular point costs you less than equal to D, less than equal to D. If it costs you less than equal to D, it is a valid point. Find the total number of valid points. So guys, this is what Amazon is asking you. Okay. So you got it now. Let me do a testing with you people. Okay. Guys, and whatever the distance you are getting now, you have to multiply the distance with 2. Okay. For example, let's say 0, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. One warehouse is here, one warehouse is here. Guys, how will you check if and let's say D is 20. Okay. D is 20. So guys, how will you check if 0 is a valid point or not? What is the cost to bring all the items at point 0? What is the cost, guys? What is the cost? This is 3 rupees and this is 3 rupees. Total 6 rupees, right? Total 6 rupees, right? Everyone write 6 in the chat. Valid point obviously exists, Priti. Yeah, but yeah, it is possible that none of the point is valid. Amazon is saying that whatever is the distance, na, multiply the final distance with 2. Why, guys? They are saying that once you keep the item here, the truck will go back to the original place. So double lag jayega na. So guys, what is the total cost? 12. What is the total cost? Whatever is the actual distance, na, multiply it with 2. That's what Amazon is telling you. So guys, multiply by 2. I hope that is not a difficult task for you. जो भी total distance आएगी उसको 2 से multiply कर देना. Clear? So guys, is this 12 less than equal to D? Tell me yes or no in the chat. Tell me yes or no in the chat. It means 0 is a valid point. It means 0 is a valid point. Okay. So guys, in this example also we can see that -2, 1 and 0. Or if you take this example, na, -2, 1 and 0 and D as 8, then only 3 points are valid. -1, 0 and 1. Only 3 points are valid, guys. Only 3 points are valid. Okay. Rest of all the distances are very big. I will show it to you with multiple examples. Just give me a second. Okay. One guy is here, another guy is here. Okay. Okay. Guys, your D is 10. Now just tell me, is 0 valid, guys? What is the total cost to bring both these items at 0? Is 0 valid? What is the total cost? No, Shreya, it is not 5. I have to multiply with 2. Guys, what is the total cost to bring all the items at point number 0? If you want to bring all the items at point number 0, it will be 10 rupees. 2 plus 3, 5 multiply by 2. So it is valid. 0 is valid. Guys, what is the cost to bring all the items at point number 1? From year to year, it will be 3 rupees, and year to year, it will be 2 rupees. So again, 10. So yes, 1 is also valid. Minus 1 is also valid, right, guys? Minus 1 is also valid. The cost of bringing all the things at minus 1 is also 10. 2 is also valid, right? 2 is also valid, guys. 2 is also valid, right? Bringing all the things to 2 is also valid. Basically, all these points are valid. Bring everyone to minus 2 valid. Bring everyone to minus 1 valid. 0 valid. 1 valid. 2 valid. Bring everything to 3. Then also it is valid. This distance will be 5. And this does not need to move 5 into 2, 10. Okay. Great, great, great. Awesome. Awesome. So guys, which are the valid points? You can bring it either everything to minus 2, it takes 10 rupees, or minus 1, or 0, or 1, or 2. All of these take 10 rupees, which is less than equal to 10. So guys, there are only 5 valid points. There are only 5 valid points. Why? Guys, please try with 3. Wait. Even 3 is a valid point, right? Even 3 is a valid point. There are 6 valid points, okay? 6 valid points. Guys, can you tell me what will happen if you try to bring all the numbers at 4? Please write in the chat, guys. What will happen if you try to bring all the numbers at point number 4? What will be the cost? See, this will take 1 rupees 3 to 4. But this guy, minus 2 to 4, will take you like 6 rupees. 6 plus 1, 7, 14 rupees. Guys, is 14 in your budget? Your budget is less than equal to 10. Your budget is what? Less than equal to 10. So it is not valid, lovely people. That's not valid. Okay. That is not valid. Okay. So now listen to me carefully. So 4 is not valid. And even if 4 is not valid, obviously 5 cost will be even larger, na? 5 is so far ahead. अरे जितना दूर लेके जाने की कोशिश करोगे the farther you try to bring all the elements, the cost is going to increase, people. Can you feel it? I hope you can feel it. Okay. So same thing here, and here if you try with minus 3, na, again the cost will be 14. And this cost will even be bigger. So only minus 2 to 3 are the valid points. Okay. So so if I give you a test case where I say that the two items are at minus 2 and another one is at 3, and I give you a D is 10, then which are the valid elements, guys? Valid guys are minus 2, uh, like 5 valid, 6 valid points. Those points are from which range, guys? Minus 2 till 3. Okay. Guys, is this much understanding of the problem clear to everyone? Please let me know. Yeah. So this much is clear to you. We should define the lower bound, and yes, many things can happen. In the question, it is given. Read properly. I'm giving you guys 1 minute. Please read it properly. It is given in the question. It is given in the question properly. Okay, very very nicely and properly. It is given in the question. What is given in the question? It is given that whatever your valid points are, na guys, the valid points should be from minus 10 raised to 9 to plus 10 raised to 9 only. So I hope these many observations and basic stuffs are clear to you. No, that's not that easy, Smriti. Where will you do binary search, and what guarantee you have that it will give you less cost? Okay, so it's actually little complicated. So guys, now tell me the brute force solution for this problem. Guys, what will be the brute force solution? Let me know. Please let me know, guys. Very easy. It is not difficult. You will check each point, right? We'll check each point. So let's head towards writing the pseudo code. Okay. Let's just check each point. Okay. Let's just check each point. It is very easy. Nothing difficult is there in checking each point. Okay. Let's say that we have the b of n, right? B of n consists of all the points. Okay. Apart from that, guys, we need to check all the points from low to high, right? So let's discuss about it. This can be minus 10 raised to 9, right? This can be plus 10 raised to 9. Obviously this code is not going to work. We are just doing this for observation purpose. Okay, so for let's write int I equal to low. We are checking for all the points. Okay, so simple. So guys, if check of I, if you are checking this number and the answer is coming as true, if you're checking this number and your answer is actually coming as true, okay, that yeah, this is a valid point, then you will do count equal to count plus 1. Okay, and you just return your count. This is not efficient at all because you are doing 10 raised to 9 iterations. Going from low to high is 2 into 10 raised to 9. Okay, guys, how will we implement the check function? Please let me know, guys, how will you implement the check function in the pseudocode? And be super quick about it, guys. How will you implement the check function? Let's say I give you a value, integer value, and I give you an array b. Okay, array b. uh, how will you check? How will you check the cost, guys? It is not difficult. Just iterate through your array b, right? What is the cost, guys? Cost is cost plus absolute difference of that point which you want to shift till VL, right? Yeah. And at the top, we will write the cost as 0. And whatever is the cost, I have to multiply it by 2 now. So if the cost is less than equal to D, then yes, you can return true. You can surely return true, guys. You can surely return true. Or else, guys, see, failure in life is guaranteed. Okay, failure in life is guaranteed, right? Failure in life is always guaranteed. Unless you work hard and become a true Kumar ke student, only then your life will return true. Or else your life is going to return false. Okay, so if the cost is less than equal to D, सस्ते में काम हो गया तो सही, ठीक है, वैलिड है. नहीं तो आप निकलो यहाँ से, ठीक है. So guys, the time complexity is 2 into 10 raised to 9 into n. So freaking big. Okay, it's not good at all, but at least it explains you guys. N is the size of the array, and let's say I took the D input also. Okay, so guys, what is the time complexity and the space complexity? Obviously Amazon is not going to give you 45 lakhs for this algorithm. So time complexity is O of n into 2 into 10 raised to 9. I'm just talking about the total number of operations because this is an online assessment problem. Okay. Because they have given you the ranges. Okay. Or else I would define it by the range n into x, where x can be somewhere around 10 raised to 9. So not good. It is not good at all. Okay. It is not good at all. Okay. Not good at all. Okay. Okay. This much is clear to most of the people. Yeah. Space complexity is O of 1. Space is simply O of 1. Right, guys? Yeah. So, guys, this much is clear to you. Now, guys, we need to do some deep observations, okay? We need to do some really deep observation, okay? Really need to do some very, very deep observation, okay? So, please listen to me very, very carefully. Everyone write yes, 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 yes in the chat if they are ready for the observation, guys. And please be active, okay? Okay, nice, lovely people. Now, listen to me carefully, okay? Listen to me carefully. Guys, what is the first observation? What is the first observation? It is, see, it is organic. It is organic. Always do organic analysis with your student. Only then they will develop their thinking skills. We always want the distance. We always want the total cost to be less. Guys, if the total cost is less, then there are higher chances that it will be less than equal to D. Then there are higher chances that it will be less than equal to D, and those points will be valid. Okay. Now, guys, let's do, guys, everyone write yes in the chat if they are also able to do this basic observation कि जहां भी हम पॉइंट उठाएंगे वो पॉइंट एकदम लेस डिस्टेंस वाला हो तो सही रहेगा. अगर वो इतना छोटा कॉस्ट में आ रहा है तो डी से भी छोटा हो सकता है, वो वैलिड बन सकता है. राइट? यस और नो, गाइस? या. So, guys, now let's do as Einstein said, imagination is the most important thing. Even AI cannot do imagination. Human can do imagination, out of box thinking. So, let's do some out of box thinking. So, guys, let's say there are some warehouses here, okay? Some warehouse is at this position, another warehouse is at this position, another warehouse is at this position, another warehouse is at this position, and another warehouse is at this position, okay? Okay, guys, this is the status currently. Okay, clear? Clear, guys? Okay. Now you only imagine what will happen. What will happen if your point is if you're trying to bring everyone here. Guys, do you love this lovely animations? Right? Yes in the chat. What will happen if you try to bring all of them at this point? Basically, you're trying to check the validity of this point. Okay. So this will be x1, this will be x2, this will be x3, this will be x4, and this will be x5. Okay, this will be x5. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, so guys, what is the cost? Can anyone tell me in the chat, please? Cost will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5. Guys, everyone write this in the chat, guys. Fast. Fast, fast, fast. Guys, can you please ignore the 2? 2 को इग्नोर कर दो, वो बाद में वैसे भी मल्टीप्लाई करके d से 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो भी हो जाएगा. Everyone write yes in the chat if they agree. दैट टू को मल्टीप्लाई करके देखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं, वो लास्ट में चेक हो सकता है, उसको भूल जाओ टू को, या तो डी को टू से डिवाइड कर देंगे, ठीक है. यस सौरभ, यू आर ऑल्सो सम वॉट करेक्ट. नाउ लिसन टू मी केयरफुली गाइज. x1 x2 x3 x4 x5. नाउ गाइज द बिगेस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन आई वांट यू टू डू. Guys, ready for the biggest observation. What will happen if I try to check the validity of the point which is just one place ahead, one step ahead? Guys, just one point ahead. इसकी validity कैसे क्या होगी बताओ जरा. For the blue line, the validity is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5. For the red line, which is one point ahead, guys. सिर्फ एक पॉइंट अहेड है, तो क्या हुआ, x1 में +1 हो गया ना, एक पॉइंट आगे गया. x1 +1, बट इन सब में तो -1 हो गया ना. दिस वाज x2. दिस नाउ आई एम चेकिंग फॉर रेड लाइन, so this will be x2 -1, x3 -1, x4 -1, x5 -1, x2 -1, x3 -1, x4 -1, x5 -1. No one will give you such brilliant greedy proofs for the geometrical representations. Only I do this in India, so take its benefit. So guys, +1 -1 करेंगे तो कितना बचा, -3 आ रहा है. So guys, this is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5. This whole thing -3. So guys, the distance is decreasing as you go towards the right. As you go towards the right, the distance is decreasing. Can you feel it? As this line go towards the right, the distance is decreasing, guys. The cost is decreasing of bringing all the elements at that point. Are you mind blown and can you feel it? Everyone in the meeting start writing yes in the chat. React with emoji if they are enjoying the observation. It's the most important observation, guys. Most important. Chinmay is saying, sir, can you explain once again? So guys, let's do it again. Chinmay, please tell me. This is your one point. Another. You are trying to bring all the elements here. Okay. So, for what will be the cost to bring all the elements here? Only Chinmay will say. This distance is x3. This distance is x4. And this distance is x5. Chinmay, what will be the cost to bring all the guys at this arrow? Please tell me in the chat. Only Chinmay will say. Because Chinmay had doubt. Fast, Chinmay! Chinmay, I am taking your doubt. You need to write it fast or I'll skip your doubt. सारे के सारे तुम सेशन में थे भी कि नहीं, तुमको पता भी है कौन सा क्वेश्चन डिस्कस हो रही है, हाँ, या ऐसे ही उठ के क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो. चिन्मय, टेल मी. गाइस, चिन्मय इज वेस्टिंग टाइम. यू गाइस टेल मी हाउ मच. नहीं यार चिन्मय, दिस डिस्टेंस इज x1 चिन्मय, सो द टोटल कॉस्ट इज x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 चिन्मय. Write yes in the chat, Chinmay, if this is clear. This distance is x1, this is x2, this is x3, this is x4, this is x5. Clear? Clear? Now Keshav and Chinmay, you guys only tell me. What will be the cost for this blue line? Blue line is a line, say this red line is at position number I. Blue line is at I plus 1. तो क्या होगा? For the blue line, रेड लाइन का डिस्टेंस यहां से यहाँ x1 है, तो ब्लू लाइन का x1 plus 1 होगा ना, एक पॉइंट आगे गया है तो x1 plus 1. रेड लाइन का यहां से यहाँ x2 था, बट ब्लू लाइन तो एक सेकंड आगे है, तो x2 -1 होगा उसका डिस्टेंस उधर से. x3 -1 होगा जो राइट में आ रहे हैं, x4 -1 एंड x5 -1. सो टोटल कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, +1 -1 इफ यू कैलकुलेट इज नथिंग बट ऑल द नंबर सम x1 to x5 -3. Keshav and Chinmay, you understood now? Everyone understood? So guys, what is the observation? Please tell me. If you have points x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 and you keep a red stick in between of x1 and x2, it is being observed It is being observed, guys. What is being observed? It is being observed that as you are going to right, as you are going towards right, the total cost is decreasing. The total cost is decreasing. Okay. So this you can observe, guys, which is another observation. Cost will always be the highest outside of the ranges. Outside of the ranges, which are minus 10 raised to 9 till x1 minus 1 and x5 plus 1 till 10 raised to 9. Guys, at this, these points will always have the maximum cost. Why? तुम लोग ही देख सकते हो ना, ये तो कॉमन सेंस वाली चीज है. देखो देखो जरा, तुम ही बताओ. गाइज यहां से राइट में जा रहे हैं तो क्या हो रहा है? एवरीवन राइट इन द चैट. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग व्हेन यू आर मूविंग योर एरे टुवर्ड्स द राइट फ्रॉम हियर? राइट नाइसली इन द चैट, गाइज. So what will happen if you move this array outside of the window? Let's say these are the 5 points. Okay, now you are trying to make your valid point as this point. So this will be a very big distance, man. And you can mathematically see as this keeps on going on left, the distance will only increase. So whenever you keep a line outside of the range, ना, outside of this range, अगर इसके बाहर रखोगे, दूर जाओगे तो कॉस्ट बढ़ती ही चली जाएगी. फीलिंग आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है? You can only become successful in this life if you have feelings for the question, not for the girls. Okay. So guys, can everyone feel this in the problem? Your cost will always be the highest outside of the ranges. अरे जैसे रेंज के बाहर जाओगे, कुमार के सर के प्रोग्राम में नहीं हो, पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हो, टाइम पास कर रहे हो, तो ऐसे बाहर चलते जाते रहोगे रेंज से, फिर कहीं प्लेसमेंट नहीं लगेगा तुम्हारा. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द टू आउटसाइड रेंजेस. Go outside, don't listen to me, then you know what will happen to you. Right, guys? You know now what happens when you don't listen to me? You monumentally fail. Okay, so always listen to me. Next thing. So guys, ये आउटसाइड रेंजेस है, यहाँ पर जाएंगे तो सिर्फ बढ़ता ही चला जाएगा. चलो मैं आपको लाइव प्रूफ देता हूँ. I will give you live proof, guys. Live proof. Wait. Live proof. Open up, man. Actually, my job is very difficult. If my job was just teaching you people, it would be easy. But I have to handle so many personal queries. My goodness. Anyways, now, guys, back to the problem. Let's say this is 1, this is 0, and this is guys, you only tell me, if I take a point outside, what will be the cost? If I'm trying to make the point 2 valid, please tell me the cost, Keshav and everyone. This much will take 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 rupees, right? And if I let it go outside the range at point number 3, cost will further increase. This time it will be 9 rupees, I think. 111 will be added at all the places. And if I try to make my valid point here, then this time it will be like 12 rupees. Guys, can you see the cost is increasing? Can you feel it, guys? Can you feel it? Now guys, I'm making a bar graph for you lovely people. Bar graph, bar graph. समझो रेंज इधर चालू हुआ था, ठीक है. लेट्स से y1, y2, y3. Okay, I can make a bar graph that whatever points I try here, na, their cost will increase like this. Straight line, increase in a straight line. And here also, whichever points I try from here, the cost will increase in a straight line. Are you enjoying this geometry problem, guys? Write yes in the chat. अगर इसके बाहर में डांडी करने की कोशिश करूंगा ना, तो कॉस्ट बढ़ने ही वाला है. सबसे दूर जो जा रहा हूं, डिस्टेंस बढ़ रही है. इधर से दूर जाओ कि इधर से दूर जाओ, दूर जाओगे डिस्टेंस बढ़ेगा. क्लियर? Okay, so this is clear that cost will always be the highest outside of the ranges, and it will strictly increase. It will strictly increase outside of the ranges. So guys, Everyone tell me what Kumar K sir has discussed till now. Kumar K sir has discussed where the cost will be the highest. जब हाईएस्ट डिस्कस कर लिया है, लड़के के बारे में डिस्कस कर लिया है, तो अब कौन बचा गाइस? हाईएस्ट के बारे में डिस्कस कर लिया, लॉजिक लगाओ। हाईएस्ट के बारे में बहुत बात कर ली, एक जेंडर के बारे में बहुत बात कर ली, अब किसकी बात करेंगे? अब दूसरे की बात करेंगे। नाउ यू गाइस यूज योर ब्रेन एंड टेल मी वेयर विल द कॉस्ट बी लोएस्ट। दिस इज द मेन एसेंस ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम। जब बाहर जा रहे हैं तो बढ़ रहा है, तो कहां पर जाएंगे तो कम होगा? दिमाग लगाओ। बाहर जा रहे हैं तो बढ़ रहा है कॉस्ट, लीनियरली इट्स इंक्रीजिंग। वेयर विल यू गो सो दैट इट डिक्रीजेस? देखो यहां पर बाहर जा रहे हैं ना, तो बढ़ रहा है, बाहर जा रहे हैं बढ़ रहा है, कहां जाऊं तो कम हो जाए? अंदर, अंदर, इनसाइड। सो गाइस दिस इज द बिगेस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन। Cost inside the range will be lower. And the middle point will have the lowest cost. This is the brilliant observation of the problem. Middle point will always have the lowest cost. You have to sort all the points and the middle point. सब लोग लिखना चालू कर दो। ना 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 ना, not average, the middle one. I will explain you guys. Wait. दिखाता हूँ, proof करता हूँ. Let's say middle point is surely to have the lowest cost. Okay, so let's say -3 I have. Okay, -2 I have. Okay, 0 I have. Okay, 4 I have, 5 I have. Okay, guys, which is the middle point? Please tell me, guys, lovely people. In general, tell me, guys, which is the middle point? Middle point is this one. Okay, middle point is this one, right? So let's see now what is happening. See, this distance is what, guys? It is 2. This distance, it is 4. This distance, it is 5. I am thinking like at all the points inside the ranges, the distance will be same, but I don't think that is correct. Anyways, let's try now. What happens? This is what, guys? 3. Okay. Okay. This is 3. Okay. So, guys, what is the total answer here? Please tell me, guys, in the chat. What is the total answer? 14. Now, guys, even if you are trying at point number -1, what will be the answer, guys? If you are trying at point number -1, I think the cost will again be 14. Guys, what is the cost at -1? Please tell me. Lovely, lovely people, please tell me the cost at -1. So you will like there are these five numbers. This guy will take 1 rupee, and this guy will take its 1 rupee. Guys, it is again 14, na? Or it is something else? Guys, is it again 14? Yes or no, guys? Okay, it is again 14. So at 0th point is also 14. 1 is also 14. -1 is also 14. Guys, what happens at -2 point? Can anyone tell me? अब यहाँ पर आ जाइए आप, क्या हो रहा है? जरा फीलिंग कीजिए क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर? 2 rupees for this one, right? 2 rupees for this one. 2 rupees for this one, right, guys? And 6 rupees for this one, guys, from 4 to -2. Guys, to -2 के लिए कॉस्ट ज्यादा आ रही है ना? गाइज व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट फॉर -2? सही से कैलकुलेट करके बताओ गाइज, मजाक नहीं, मजाक नहीं। आई डोंट थिंक 29 इज द आंसर गाइज। अरे सबको -2 पर लाना है, तो 0 को -2 पे लाओगे 2 रुपए लगेगा। 4 को -2 पे लाओगे कितने पैसे लगेंगे? बोलो कितने लगेंगे? 6 रुपए लगेंगे। 6, राइट? 5 को -2 पे लाना कितने लगेंगे? 7 रुपए लगेंगे। -3 को -2 पे लाना 1 रुपया लगेगा, कितना हुआ? 6 + 1 7 14 16 rupees guys, 16 guys, everyone in the meeting start writing 16. क्या उनको अपनी आंखों से दिख रहा है कि as you are going away from the middle one, this cost is now slowly increasing, it's becoming troublesome, it's becoming a pain in the dash. Okay, so guys, -2 cost is 16, it has increased. Guys, what is the cost at -3? Can you all tell me? Only my favorite student will calculate and tell me the answer. What is the cost as -3, guys? Can you tell me, please? -3, lovely people, -3. And mathematically, you can see why this cost is increasing. Okay. Mathematically, how can you check? अरे ये सेम फॉर्मूला लगाओ, ये जो मैं तुमको पहले सिखाया था ना, x1 x2 x3 वाला, तो दिख जाएगा. So guys, at -3, what is the cost? -2 to -3 1, and here this will be 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 8 19, right? 19, guys. So you can yourself see what has happened. From 0, -1 and 1, the cost was 14. But at -2, it becomes 16. And at -3, it becomes 19. And I can guarantee, guys, the cost is increasing here also linearly. Okay. This will be bigger than 14. Okay. So, guys, what is the observation? If there are odd number of points, let's say these are the odd number of points. The cost is always minimum at y3 and the range around y3. मतलब y2 plus 1 से लेकर y4 minus 1 में सबसे मिनिमम कॉस्ट होता है. सस्ता सस्ता मिनिमम, गाइस, मिनिमम. I hope you could understand this thing. Okay. If there are guys, can you see the brilliant geometrical observations of this problem? Start writing yes in the chat. Okay, such a brilliant problem. Okay, so if there are odd number of points, then cost is minimum. Then cost is like very easy, it's easy and minimum. Okay, it's easy and minimum. If there are odd number of points, okay, then the cost is minimum. Cost is minimum, uh, around y1 y2 plus 1 till y4 minus 1, and y3 is involved in that. Okay, y2 y1 y2 y3 y4 y5. Okay, so guys, क्या सबको मजा आ गया? सबको अच्छे से समझ आ गया? I make sure I make it as easy as possible for you guys. Okay, like I will explain you why I started this program. Okay, see guys, मैं बता देता हूँ आपको मैंने प्रोग्राम क्यों चालू किया था. Earlier, guys, I was also a very beginner guy. Okay, and I was facing lots of problem in code chef, code forces, etc. And when I was trying to improve, I was not getting good resources and the high rated coders. Okay, when I used to ask them for solution, they used to tell me the solution, but they explain or reply in just 2 3 lines. They don't clearly tell the answer. Even if they tell the answer, they are not that much interested in explaining you. In short, no one explains you nicely. And especially the higher the rating of the person or the better coder is he thinks कि आपको सब already आता होगा. They speak in a very vague way that do this and this will solve. And I realized that this is a big pain in the dash. Okay, so my only aim of starting this program is that I now have myself become this person, right? But I don't want to do what my other friends do. Okay, I want to make it easy for the beginner. That's why I have started this program. So hopefully you are understanding my easy method, guys, right? That the cost will be minimum around this farming area, guys. Okay, around this farming area. Okay, अब AI आ गया है, खेती करना पड़ेगा, right? Around this farming area, the cost will be minimum, and here the cost will linearly rise. The cost will linearly rise. Okay, guys, you only use your brain and now tell me what will happen if there are even number of points. Easy, 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 easy. Guys, where will be the cost minimum? At which point the cost will be minimum of bringing all the points? Array middle 2 points, yeah. This is common sense. From year to year, cost will be minimum. Okay. For even number na y3 to y4, all the points from y3 to y4 are guaranteed to generate the minimum possible answer. I hope this much basics are clear to you people, right guys? Right na? Clear? या y3 एंड y4. ओके, अब तुम कहने के लिए ये भी बोल सकते हो कि ये थोड़ा सा ये वाले रेंज को भी कंसीडर कर सकते हैं, इसको भी कर सकते हो, बट इतना करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये तो गारंटी है ना, बस आगे का मत चेक करो. ओके, क्लियर गाइस दिस मच? ओके, if even number of points, then guys the so guys, is this much clear to you lovely people? Everyone write yes in the chat and be super quick guys. ओके, अब लास्ट फीलिंग्स क्या आएंगी ये सब करने के बाद गाइज? इतना फीलिंग आ गया है, अभी क्या करना है बोलिए? फीलिंग्स फीलिंग्स सब आ गई, सब क्लियर हो गया, मजा आ गया, राइट? यू नो राहुल गांधी यूज्ड टू से मजा आ गया. एनीवेज, सो नाउ गाइज लिसन टू मी वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. ओके, या या नाउ लिसन टू मी, लिसन टू मी, लिसन टू मी. So guys, who wrote that? Yeah, Shreya is my favorite student. No, Saurabh Rai. So guys, listen to me, okay? मजा आया, हाँ हाँ, वो वैसे ही बोलता था. So guys, first of all, you should sort all the input points, right? Yes or no? If this is common sense. अरे ये जो इनपुट के पॉइंट्स है ये लाइन वाइज ऑर्डर में दिए होने चाहिए ना, ऐसा उथल पुथल थोड़ी चलेगी. यू वांट इट इन अ सॉर्टेड मैनर गाइस. ओके, तो चलो सब सॉर्टेड है, लेट्स अज्यूम सब सॉर्टेड है. ओके, लेट्स अज्यूम देयर आर ऑड नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स. ओके, so guys, there are two ranges. See, guys, यहां से लेके यहां तक तो लोएस्ट है, ठीक है? एंड आफ्टर दिस the cost is strictly increasing guys, even outside of the range it is increasing. आपको पता है ना, outside तो increase होता है, यहां से भी increase हो रहा है. See, and here it is increasing like this. Geometry. So if the d is given to you, समझो यहां पर कॉस्ट थी 5, यहां से बढ़ने लग गई 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, ऐसा ऐसा. हियर द कॉस्ट वाज 5, यहां से सिर्फ बढ़ने लग गई 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, ऐसा बढ़ रहा है, ठीक है? बढ़ रहा है, मजा आ रहा है. या d इज गिवन टू यू एज 8. तो गाइस क्या करोगे, दिमाग लगाओ. अरे बहुत सिंपल है, कुछ नहीं करना है. Just go from here towards the right hand direction and stop when you find the 8. Stop when you find the 8, and these are the valid points on the right hand side. You wanted the distance less than equal to 8 na? हो गया काम. Those points will have distance less than equal to 8. And वैसे ही left के लिए भी कर लो. Start going towards left, and as soon as you find the 8, stop, because all these are less than equal to 8. Either you can do a linear search or you can do binary search and find the first index. of D coming here. When is the D coming? All the points from this to the rightwards will be your valid, guys. Guys, can you see the brilliancy of this solution? Basically, आपको जो भी दे रखा है ना क्वेश्चन में, आपको बीच में आना है. अभी आपको पता है कि यहाँ से ये वाले पॉइंट में सब एकदम लो है, बट यहाँ से सब एकदम बढ़ना चालू हो जाएगा. यहाँ से एकदम बढ़ना चालू हो जाएगा. चलो समझो यहाँ पर कोई डिस्टेंस आ रही है 5 5 5, यहाँ पर सेम रहेगा लो, बट हियर इट विल स्टार्ट इंक्रीजिंग लाइक दिस. और हमारा डी समझो हमको 7 दे के रखा है, मतलब यू कैन ओनली अलाउ द कॉस्ट लेस देन इक्वल टू 7. तो कौन कौन वैलिड हुआ? यहाँ से ये इतना पार्ट वैलिड हुआ और यहाँ से ये इतना पार्ट वैलिड हुआ. तो राइट में बाइनरी सर्च करो. डू द बाइनरी सर्च ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड एंड फाइंड द फर्स्ट इंडेक्स, फर्स्ट अकरेंस और लास्ट अकरेंस ऑफ 7. एंड हियर डू द बाइनरी सर्च एंड फाइंड द लास्ट अकरेंस ऑफ 7. Once you know guys how many elements are there, और बीच वाले को भी इंक्लूड कर लेना. And similarly guys, solve separately for odd case and even case, and your job is done. You have solved the hardest OA which was asked in Amazon 2024, and you get 45 lakhs in your bank account. Okay, yes, it clears up many things. Okay, first time experiencing this type of variation. Thank you for solving this. Yes, love you Ashish. I do always every day new things. As a mentor and teacher, it is a very big risk to explain such difficult problem, but I like taking risk. So guys, अब ध्यान से सुनो. Now implementation is going to be difficult. This is called as geometry plus greedy plus binary search. And BN by Mellon has also asked many problems like this. I have uploaded in the course also. Course ध्यान से करोगे सब मिल जाएगा. Anyways guys, now listen to me carefully. Now, implementation is not an easy task. Okay, let's do some easier implementation. Okay, let me do the linear search implementation. That is actually easy, right? That is actually easy. So guys, whatever B array I'm getting, I'm sorting it. Okay, sort. Okay, I'm now checking guys what is the the size. Okay, like if there are even number of, if even number of points are not there. Okay, and if the number of points are even, we need to solve separately. Okay, guys, now you only tell me. Okay, how to do linear search, guys? How to do linear search? Okay, yeah, you will learn about it, Krishnan, very soon. So guys, please tell me, linearly कैसे चेक करोगे? समझो ऑड नंबर है, अब क्या करोगे बोलो? अरे the elements are from index 0 to n minus 1. तो मिडल पॉइंट कौन सा होगा? Guys, which will be the mid index? Please tell me. इतना कैलकुलेट करना आता है कि नहीं आता है तुम लोग को? Okay, let me yeah, we are actually doing CP level stuff now. Okay, so anyways, listen to me carefully. So guys, 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so please tell me what to do. After regular practice we become very good, guys. Okay, so guys, 0 1 2 3 4, if y equal to 5 points, तो मिडल क्या होगा? n by 2. ओके, फ्लैट डिवीजन. ओके, इतना आता है ना कोडिंग? या, सो मिडल गाय विल बी व्हाट गाइस? राइटिंग इन द कोड, middle guy will be n by 2. Like rough division I am doing, not point decimal division. 5 by 2 equal to 2. Okay, so I reach the middle. Okay, now guys, what should I do? One search I should do from mid to 10 raised to 9. Right hand side searching, guys. This is called as right hand side searching. गाइस राइट में ढूंढ रहे, गाइस राइट में एंड एक आप लेफ्ट में ढूंढना चालू करोगे. लेफ्ट में भी स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग हो रहा है, राइट? सो फ्रॉम mid minus 1, like minus 10 raised to 9, this will also be a strictly increasing function, right? Left hand side सो गाइस चलो राइट और लेफ्ट में अपना सर्चिंग काम चालू करते हैं गाइस. रेडी? यस, निहारिका, आर्यन, एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड. गाइस ये आपको समझ रहा है ना, मैंने मिड -1 से क्यों लिखा है? अब जब वहां से मिड से चेक हो ही रहा है तो क्यों उसको उधर से कर रहे हो? उसको उधर से करो ना. टाइम पास क्यों कर रहे हो? राइट? या. सो बेसिकली, let's say this is the mid. I will start searching on this side. This will strictly increase, the distances will strictly increase from here. And another range, I will search on the left hand side, the distance will strictly increase from here. Okay, so guys, लेफ्ट हैंड का पहले करते हैं. ठीक है? लेफ्ट इक्वल टू मिड -1. While left is greater than equal to -10⁹. If check of left, if this is giving you true value, that it is valid, very good, very good, very good. Count plus plus. But guys, what if it is not giving you true? जैसे ही लिमिट बढ़ जाएगी तो रुक जाना ना. ब्रेक ब्रेक ब्रेक. अरे मैंने दिखाया था ना आपको. That the distance is growing guys. Okay, distance is growing. सो समझो D7 दे रखा है तो आप इसे लेफ्ट में जा तो रहे हो, बट जैसे ही 7 से बड़ा आएगा ना, D फॉल्स आ गया तो रुक जाना. ऑल द अदर वैल्यूज विल श्योरली बी फॉल्स, दे आर बिगर देन D. राइट गाइस? राइट गाइस? एवरीवन राइट? यस 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 इन द चैट. सो यू ब्रेक अप, प्लीज ब्रेक अप. So break up after Holi, not before that. Yeah, I hope you know why. Anyways, jokes apart. So so left equal to left -1 guys. So see guys, now right searching guys, right equal to mid. This is not efficient, but this is giving you the feelings. Right equal to mid, while right less than equal to, ये चेक फंक्शन ऊपर लिखा नहीं है क्या? इसको कॉपी करके ऊपर डालिए. चेक ऊपर होने वाला है कि ये सही है कि नहीं. और इसको तो निकाल गाइस. राइट फंक्शन. ओके, while right less than equal to 1 guys, please tell me the coding part. I'm Kumar, I'm not good at coding, please help me. So guys, what to write here? If check is correct, if check of right is equal to true. But guys, what if it is not right? Thank you Oishik, thank you. Yeah, yes, always do dark joke. Guys, ब्रेक अगर नहीं हुआ तो फिर रुक जाओ ना, ज्यादा हल्ला मत करो. So guys, that's it, and you print your count. Okay guys, else condition, do it yourself, huh? This is very simple guys, same as above, just your points will be different. Okay, so make your points yourself. Okay, and here also you can delete. Guys, वैसे ऑड के लिए ना कोई ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. ऑड के लिए क्या है जरा बताना, क्या लिखा था? वाइट इफ वेट, ये किसके लिए था? दिस वाज फॉर ऑड राइट? सो फॉर इवन इट इज y3 to y4 ना. सो गाइज वोंट इट बी कॉमन सेंस कि y3 प्लस y4 को मिड समझ लो, y3 प्लस y4/2. एवरीवन राइट यस इन द चैट इफ दे अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर ऑड आ रहा है तो y3 प्लस y4/2 को एकदम मिडल समझ लो ना. मिड विल बी लाइक बाई टू. गाइज ये दोनों नंबर कौन से होंगे जरा इनका मुझे रिप्रेजेंटेशन बता दो. उसके बाद सेम एज अबव, सेम एज अबव. फिर कुछ नहीं करना है. एक बार मिड आ गया तो फिर किस चीज का डर है आपको. हाँ चिल मारिए, चिल मारिए, मिड आ चुका है. पर इसमें मिड कैसा दिखेगा, रिप्रेजेंटेशन कैसा होगा मिड का, दैट्स इंटरेस्टिंग टू नो. सो लेट्स से n इक्वल टू 6 पॉइंट्स, 0 1 2 3 4 5. ओके, this is y of 2 plus y of 3 by 2. This is the middle point, which is the lowest one. Okay, so you can because you know that this full part is low na, you can just assume this one point and start doing an algorithm of left and right. Such nice problem. So guys, ये y of 2 और y of 3 कैसा दिखेगा. ये तो होगा n by 2 और ये होगा n by 2 minus 1. Okay, क्लियर गाइस. n by 2 and n by 2 minus 1. या प्लस 1 कौन लिख रहा है, -1. ओइशिक इज करेक्ट. लव यू कार्तिकेय. गाइस आज एक बच्चे का मैंने मॉक इंटरव्यू लिया था, उसने बिल्कुल भी अच्छे से परफॉर्म नहीं किया. सो व्हाट आई एम थिंकिंग इज दैट ऑन संडे, एवरी संडे आई विल टेक मॉक इंटरव्यू and I will show you how people are performing and their mistakes. So you learn from the mistakes. Okay, I have to do that also. Okay, new feature. लोग सही से इंटरव्यू में बोल नहीं रहे थे, इंग्लिश सही नहीं है. यू हैव टू गाइस प्रैक्टिस गुड इंग्लिश कोड को स्पीकिंग स्किल्स इन द कोडिंग इंटरव्यू. वो हिंदी में बोल रहा था, रुक रुक के बोल रहा था, अच्छा थोड़ी लगता है. कोडिंग करते हो थोड़ा बोल बोल के लिखने का प्रैक्टिस किया करो. क्लियर. लाइक हाउ आई एम स्पीकिंग व्हाइल राइटिंग लाइक दिस, यू आल्सो हैव टू स्पीक इन द इंटरव्यू. यू कैन नॉट बी नॉट स्पीकिंग. Okay, so guys, this is y of n by 2 minus 1 and this is n by 2. Guys, now the problem has been solved. We don't need to do much. It's done. Congratulations. Okay, same as above you do and your option is done. Guys, I'm leaving the binary search up to you. Binary search code लिख दोगे ना, it's not difficult. Write yes in the chat. कुछ नहीं करना है. ये जो left से 1, make the lower limit as mid -1 and higher as -10⁹. Break as soon as you get false. Okay, and here also break as soon as you get false on the right hand side. रेंज मैंने बता दी है. कोड आपको लिखना आता ही होगा. फर्स्ट अकरेंस ऑफ एक्स का आता है कि नहीं आता, इतना तो बाइनरी सर्च कोर्स में किया होगा. यस और नो लिखिए चैट में. किया ही होगा, नहीं तो मैं आने भी नहीं देता. ओके, ग्रेट, ऑसम. So guys, if I'm doing this via okay, this its time complexity will be what? Its time complexity will be again be like O of, see, again I am going till 10⁹ 10⁹ na, so it is again like n into 2 into 10⁹. After applying binary search, what will happen? Currently you are linearly searching for this value from left to from mid -1 to left. If you do binary search on this, this will be log of 10⁹. So guys, finally, ha ha ha, O of n into log of, which is somewhere around 31. Guys, solve the problem in n into 31. Congratulations. Tap on your back, guys. Congratulations. Logarithm is very small number of 2 into 10⁹. Just 31 operations, guys. So much efficiency. Job is done, guys. Now we need to stop and save the recording.